Here's mine and General's current emotion and mood about Geraldine. We're a little sad to see her looking so rough. I came home from work and Clint had her stripped down, had panels off, got all the glass out, had my driver door off. She'd be looking a little rough. But he's got her driving good, and she's to the point to where she can be my daily driver to work if I want her to be. So he wanted to get started on the body work. But let's wait and rewind and take a walk around what she looked like before Clint got started. If you checked out our last video, my dad and I ran up to Tulsa to pick her up a couple of years ago, a birthday gift from Clint. She's a 78 F100 Ranger, two-wheel drive, long bed. She has air conditioning, which I think is awesome. Right now she has a 400 small block in her, which is running just fine. Clint's done so much work on her, but we'll just drive her until that blows and then change her out to something different. From my investigation on the really cool stuff we found in the glove box, she has had 2 owners and lived her life in Nebraska, probably a ranch or farm truck, did some hauling of livestock. Typical Ford rust, the dents and dings of just out there living life. Of course, he already took the bed off. Some parts he's just ordering new. He got a new driver's door. He's gonna get new panels and some new sides for the bed. I'm not for sure what company he ended up going with, so I'll drop a link in the comments when I'm able to ask him that. So today, you know, before we get the panels on the bed and get the bed back on, we're gonna clean her up a little bit and just put some farm machinery black spray paint on her, get that a little cleaned up. So she was time to get inspected. Her license was getting ready to run out, and so Clint's like, it's just a good time just to get her in here and get the body work done, get her new glass in, and so she can pass inspection, and me and Geraldine can hit the road all snazzed up and legal-like. So here's how she is today. She be looking a little rough, but you gotta look rough before you look better, I guess. So when Clint had the bed off and was doing some metal work there, we came across the original pinstripes. A little portion of it was hiding behind the bed there. So obviously at one time she had a paint job touch up, or maybe was in a fender bender or something and they repainted her, and that's where that silver's coming in at. But the original pinstripe colors, orange and yellow, 1970s. What you working on, Tough?
Just want to get this out.
What are you trying to get out?
This.
Are you working on Geraldine for me?
Yeah.
All right, Clint's got her cleaned up. He got the power washer out and got some gunk and grime off of her. So I'm gonna take that spray paint that he had me go get and just kind of spray everything with that black farm paint while we've got the bed and everything off and the panels. Be 10 times easier that way. So we'll do that, and then we'll just wait for our new panels to come in, and hopefully by next week we can start putting her back together.